Want to turn a simple portrait into a stunning wall of words? This Typography Face Effect will make your edits look like high-end motion graphics. In this chapter, we'll create the Typography Face Effect in CapCut. This solves the problem of static, boring text by blending words with your subject's face for a modern, artistic look. By the end, you'll know how to layer, blend, and style text so it becomes part of the image itself. Perfect for music videos, intros, or creative storytelling. Start by adding a black background to your timeline. Add a text box onto your timeline. For this demo, I'll type musical and some other words. Copy and paste the text. Then change the words and their sizes. Keep repeating this until you've built a long row of varied words.
If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps us keep making tutorials like this.
Highlight all your text layers, right-click, and select Create Compound Clip. Now, copy that compound clip multiple times. Resize and rearrange them to build a collage of words with different scales and positions. Once you're happy, bring in your media clip, the image you want to stylize. Adjust it so the image fills the frame. Highlight the media, then go to Video Basic, Blend, Multiply. Now your text collage takes the shape of the image behind it. For an even sharper look, tweak brightness, contrast, and whites in adjustments. This makes the words stand out clearly against the image. And that's it! You've created a striking typography image effect in CapCut. A perfect way to mix words and visuals into one creative design. Design agencies charge thousands for effects like this, but here you're learning it for free. All we ask is that you hit the like button, subscribe, share this with your friends, and let us know what you think. See you in the next